The concept of the posthuman is a sophisticated and multifaceted ideology stemming from domains like science fiction, futurology, contemporary art, and philosophy. It essentially implies a being or entity evolving beyond human limitations, posing dilemmas in ethics, species communication, social structures, and interdisciplinary intellectual pursuit. Do not mistake posthumanism for transhumanism, a term dedicated to human enhancement through biotechnology, or the restrictive definitions of posthuman as the anticipated transcendence of materiality. Posthuman notion plays a crucial role within both posthumanism and transhumanism, but embraces unique significance within each framework. The birth of the Journal of Posthuman Studies, established through a collaboration between Penn State University Press, Stefan Lorenz-Orgner, and James Hughes in 2017, was to address and explore all facets of the posthuman concept. In the landscape of critical theory, the posthuman reimagines the humanistic concept by challenging the humanism's claim of a universal human nature that personifies autonomy, rationality, free will, and self-entity as existence's pinnacle. In contrast, a posthuman perspective embraces individual imperfections and disunity and interprets the world through diverse outlooks, stressing maintaining intellectual rigor and objective observations. Though the term posthumans has faced criticism and is contested, it has permeated critical theory, influencing perspectives on autonomy, identity, and existence. One of the key aspects of this posthuman ideology is its inherent flexibility in perspective, shifts, and multifaceted identity manifestation. However, the understanding and reception of posthumanism varied, often inviting intense criticism. Manuel de Landa, a notable author on posthumanism, even dismissing the term as very silly, reflects this divide. The various contradictions make categorizing the ideologies, like Robert Pepperell's The Posthuman Condition, or Hales's How We Became Posthuman, under a single term troublesome. Approaching the term from another angle, the posthuman can be viewed as the cyborgs illustrated in Donna Haraway's A Cyborg Manifesto, the beta version of the posthuman. Haraway's representation challenges traditional views on the fine line dividing humans and robots. Hales, whose work became a cornerstone for the posthuman discourse, argues that the liberal humanism concept separating mind from body becomes complex due to advancements in information technology. Therefore, it is crucial to remain mindful of these advancements and understand the immaterial nature of the information that can incorporate but not replace the human body and practices. The concept of a posthuman, explored by transhumanist thinkers, represents a future entity that has surpassed our current human capabilities to a point of no longer being recognizably humans. Posthumans are heavily associated with cybernetics, digital technology, and their interconnection. Transhumanism, on the other hand, is not confined to these concepts. Instead, it encompasses the human species modification through various emerging sciences and technologies. This movement, manifest in Steve Nichols' 1988 Posthuman Movement Manifesto and his early evolutionary theory of the mind, paves the way for the creation of self-aware brains. Transhumanism has faced critique, however, for its perceived lack of consideration towards the broad implications and concerns of posthumanism and its potential impact on traditional humanism. Posthumans could take on various forms, including fully synthetic artificial intelligences, a fusion of human and AI, or even the transition of a biological human into a technologically enhanced cyborg through small but significant technological augmentation. This could involve re-engineering the human body through nanotechnology or enhancing it through various technologies like genetic engineering, life extension treatments, advanced information tools, memory-enhancing drugs, wearable computers, and cognitive methods. The term posthuman in this context does not necessarily predict a future devoid of humans. Instead, as stated by Kevin Warwick, it speaks of a predominance of posthumans in society, owing to their superior abilities. Scholars have recently started exploring posthumanism as an interpretive lens through which to view apocalyptic cinema and fiction, frequently portraying vampires, werewolves, and zombies as potential evolutions of the human race. Notable science fiction authors like Greg Egan, H.G. Wells, Bruce Sterling, and others have immersed readers in posthuman futures. A progression of this theme is the concept of a posthuman god, suggesting posthumans could grow so mighty, both physically and mentally, that they appear godlike to today's humans. This should not be confused with the science fiction idea of an advanced species ascending to a higher plane of existence. Instead, it suggests that posthuman beings could develop intelligence and technological sophistication beyond our imagination or comprehension.